Hello there, my tubes. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is going to be a super short review of a perfume that I got for Christmas. And let me introduce you to her formally, okay? Introducing Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. Yes, honey, she is from the house of Marc Jacobs. She made her big debut in 2014. Whoop, 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 whoop. So, first of all, let's just talk about how she looks. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute? Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. She is definitely so pretty. This pretty girl right here. That's what I'm gonna call her. She's the pretty girl. She's so cute. This is the smaller bottle. I believe she is a size, let's see here if I can look it up real quick for y'all, because she's a little something. Okay, so she is a 1 ounce, but that's okay. You guys, I have been using her. She is my favorite. In my humblest opinion, I think she is great for a beginner perfume wearer. She is not too intense, but she does pack a decent punch. I believe I get about 8 hours of wear time off of her. So I really like that a lot. She smells at her peak during spring and summer, but honey, I have been wearing her in the fall and winter, and she is just such a delight no matter what season. She is definitely a girl's girl. She's a girly girl. When all fails and you don't know what perfume to wear, honey, Daisy Dream is the one. I think this particular perfume is not offensive, so it will probably be good to wear her if you worked in an office environment where you are around a lot of people who may have sensitive noses. So I think she would be safe enough for you to wear in that particular type of environment, or any environment where you are going to be in close proximity of a lot of people. So she is probably a good safe choice to choose. Perfect for those church goers, you know, who like to get all dressed up for church. Even though you can go as you are, but for those who like to get dolled up for church, even date night, this is safe enough for date night. She is just truly a good girl. She's a good, cute little girl. She's a cute girl. She's a cute girl, okay? She's just not wham bam and in your face. So I do highly recommend her. If you guys are wondering what the going price is for her, I did look her up on FragranceNet, and the largest bottle runs about $76. You can get the tester in the large bottle for $72. They have a 1.7 ounce for $55. The 1 ounce goes for $44. Or if you just want to blind buy, they do have the travel size that runs you roughly $16. Let's share some of her keynotes. So let's share some of her fragrance notes. So the fragrance notes for this cute little thing is pear, grapefruit, blackberry, lychee, jasmine, wisteria, coconut, musk, and she has a few woody notes. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely like her. She's one of my keepers. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.